When it comes to enhancing your home's comfort and lowering energy costs, modern door replacements in Baytown offer far more than just aesthetic upgrades. The latest door technologies are designed to improve insulation, minimize drafts, and maintain indoor temperatures efficiently, a major advantage for Baytown homeowners facing the region's warm, humid summers and occasional chilly winters. Investing in energy-efficient doors not only boosts comfort but also leads to long-term financial savings and increased home value. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. One of the most significant benefits of modern door replacements is improved insulation. Traditional doors, especially those made of outdated materials or suffering from worn seals, allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Today's energy-efficient doors are constructed with advanced materials such as fiberglass, insulated steel, or composite wood, which offer excellent thermal resistance. In Baytown's hot climate, this means keeping the cool air inside during summer and preventing heat loss in the cooler months. Insulated cores and tight weatherstripping create a strong thermal barrier, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature and reducing energy consumption significantly. The result is a more comfortable living environment that remains stable throughout the year. Lower energy bills through reduced air leakage. Energy-efficient door replacements in Baytown can directly impact your monthly utility bills. Older doors often have gaps, cracks, or deteriorated seals that allow conditioned air to escape. This inefficiency causes your air conditioner or heater to run more frequently, driving up energy costs. Modern doors are designed to eliminate these issues through precision engineering. Features like double or triple pane glass inserts with low emissivity, low E coatings reflect heat, keeping it outside during summer and inside during winter. Homeowners who switch to energy-efficient doors often see noticeable reductions in energy bills within the first few months, making the investment both eco-friendly and financially rewarding. Enhanced durability and longevity. Today's door replacements are built to last. Modern materials resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage, all common issues in Baytown's humid Gulf Coast environment. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, maintain their shape and efficiency over time, even when exposed to high humidity or intense sun. Because these doors maintain their insulating properties longer, homeowners enjoy consistent energy savings and reduced maintenance costs. A durable, well-sealed door also helps protect against drafts, water infiltration, and pests, ensuring your home remains both efficient and secure for years to come. Environmental impact and sustainability. Replacing your old, inefficient doors with modern, energy-efficient models contributes positively to the environment. By reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, you are effectively cutting down your household's carbon footprint. Many energy-efficient doors are also made from sustainable materials or recycled components, aligning with eco-conscious living practices. In a community like Baytown, where sustainability and energy conservation are becoming increasingly valued, upgrading to greener home solutions is both responsible and forward-thinking. Homeowners who choose energy-efficient doors play a role in supporting local and global energy-saving initiatives. Increased home value and curb appeal. Energy efficiency isn't just about savings, it's also a selling point. Modern door replacements improve your home's curb appeal with sleek, stylish designs that complement various architectural aesthetics. Whether you prefer the timeless look of wood grain finishes or the modern appeal of glass and steel, there are options to match any home style. Moreover, energy-efficient features add measurable value to your property. Prospective buyers in Baytown increasingly look for homes with eco-friendly and cost-saving upgrades, making your investment even more worthwhile. Conclusion: a smart upgrade for Baytown homeowners. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest improvements Baytown homeowners can make. The combination of superior insulation, lower energy costs, durability, environmental benefits, and added property value makes door replacement an investment that pays for itself in comfort and savings. Whether you're looking to cut down on energy bills or simply enhance your home's look and feel, choosing energy-efficient door replacements in Baytown delivers long-lasting benefits, both for your wallet and for the environment.